It is very convenient for classes because for me it is possible to have all the students working on the same project, and thanks to its cloud usability, it does not require heavy installations on personal PC. For students is really good. The most of them are enthusiastic. One said, it's the first time that I really understand what happens when electromagnetic waves arrives to a human body. We use it here in Erice at the Ettore Majorana Center for Scientific Foundation in the School of Bioelectromagnetics Alessandro Chiabrera. And here all the students, biologists, medical doctors, electrical engineers, they all have been able to obtain their first electrode system to observe distribution of electric field due to electroporation.